In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively set up product options in your Wix store to enhance your customer shopping experience. Whether you're offering t-shirts in different sizes and colors or showcasing products in various materials, adding these options can significantly increase your store's appeal and functionality. So, let's dive in and get started. First, make sure you're opening the Wix editor in the Google Chrome browser. This is important because Chrome is known for its smooth handling of web applications like Wix, ensuring you can work efficiently without unnecessary hiccups or delays. Now that you've got your Wix editor open, let's head over to your Wix store. Once you're in your store, it's time to select the product that you want to modify and manage. Choose the product you'd like to update and click on Manage Product to access all the customization details for that item. This is where you'll have the opportunity to introduce new product options, which help your customers find exactly what they're looking for in your store. For example, if you're running a clothing store, you might want to add product sizes such as small, medium, or large. Alternatively, if it's more about variety, options like different colors can be a game changer, as well as material types to give your customers the flexibility and selection they crave. So go ahead, explore the options and variants section where you can input all these diversified choices. For each option you add, there's space to detail variations that best represent your product. Ensure you complete this part with a consideration of what your customers might want or expect from this product. The more detailed and accurate your options are, the better equipped your store will be to meet customer needs and minimize confusion during their shopping experience. After you've carefully added and reviewed all product options and variants, the next crucial step is saving your work. Click that save button to ensure all your hard work, like adding sizes, colors, and materials, is stored in the Wix system. Then it's time to hit publish to make these changes live. With your updates published, your store is now ready to welcome customers with tailored options that cater to their specific preferences. Remember, a store that provides choice and clarity is more likely to secure customer satisfaction and loyalty. This isn't just about boosting sales, it's about creating an inviting and seamless shopping journey. That's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to transform your product listings with options that let your customers find exactly what they need. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial, and I hope your new optimized Wix store brings you great success and happy, satisfied customers.